How to delete your WhatsApp account on iPhone. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipin Basnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete your WhatsApp account on iPhone. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through quick and easy with this video. First things first, you want to open up your WhatsApp and you want to make sure you're logged into your account, right, that you want to delete. Now here you should get an interface somewhat like this. Now I'm on chats. You can see at the bottom you can see various options. It says status, calls, connections, chats and settings. You want to simply tap on settings option at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you do so, you can see various options. You want to simply tap on the profile at here, and once you tap on profile you'll be able to see your number. However, in order to delete your account, what you want to do is you want to head into settings, and once you head into settings you want to head back here and you want to head into account option. Once you tap on account, you can see delete my account option. Simply tap on it and it will ask you for delete my account option. Delete your account will delete your account info and profile photo, delete you from all WhatsApp groups, delete your message history. You want to simply enter in your phone number that you want to delete off, and then you want to simply tap on delete account, and once you do so you'll be able to delete your account. So this way you can delete your WhatsApp account on iPhone. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.